Hello, leaders and readers. This is Dr. Pat here with the Global Reach Leadership Institute. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the impacts that this virus has been having on our lives. You've heard a lot about COVID-19 and the impacts on healthcare workers, on our families, organizations, and leaders all across the world. But there are 5 things that I want us to talk about today, and it's about being aware, being diligent, being accommodating, being proficient, and being transient. Adapt. Being aware is about understanding the impacts that this is having on our lives and being ready to know how to come out of it, how to plan in the future so that we can get out of this situation when the time comes. We don't want to wake up tomorrow and wonder what happened. Our sense of awareness is essential as leaders. Number 2 is about being diligent. Now is the time to take action. We don't want to be going around saying, woe is me. We want to be diligent in our actions and plan accordingly, be intentional with the decisions that we are making and how to relate with one another. Number 3 is about being accommodating. We've got to help people along, bring them along so we can win together. These are trying times for a lot of people, and it's up to us to accommodate those who are having such a challenge through this time. Number 4 is about being proficient. Proficient at what we do. We've got to get sharp. We've got to hone our skills. We can't relax. We want to get ahead of the situation. And number 5 is about being transient. We've got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. We have to be ready for change because this is just a passing cloud. Let's be aware. Let's be diligent. Let's be accommodating. Let's be proficient. And let's be transient. Let's adapt. I believe in your success, and we're going to get through this together. Take care and be well.